This video presentation is brought to you by the Educational Programs Office of Center for Bright Beams, which is founded by the National Science Foundation.
Hi, I am Qingyuan Zhu, a second-year graduate student in the Department of Chemistry and Chemical Biology. And the topic of today's video is diffusion. Diffusion is a net movement of anything, like ions, molecules, energy, from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. And temperature is a very important factor which influences the rate of diffusion. And in this video, I would like to show you some very simple experiments that you can do it easily at home. And in these experiments, you can learn easily the concept of diffusion and have some fun. Come and follow me.
Here are the materials you need. 3 transparent colorless cups. It would be better if you use the same size cups. And a kettle to get some boiled water. You need to be careful when you handle the hot water. And here we use food colorings to make the diffusion process visible to our eyes. To change the temperature and get 3 data points, you can design your own experiment. And here I use room temperature water about 20 degrees C, half mixed water about 60 degrees C, and boiling water about 100 degrees C. You can also put water in the fridge to get ice cold water, which is about 0 degrees C. Now you can put a drop of food coloring in each cup. Make sure you do it quickly so the time that the diffusion process starts is about the same. Now you can see the food coloring drop diffuses in the water in 3 different rates, and in the hot water, diffusion is faster than in room temperature water. You can also use the ice cold water to see how slow it is compared to the hot water. You can also compare the 3 different temperatures of water after several minutes, and this is after about 5 minutes. We can see that in the 3rd cup hot water, the diffusion process is almost done compared to the first one. The second experiment is very interesting. You need 2 small glass cups, but I only have this size, so I tried several times to make it work. Here I add some salt in one of the cups and dissolve it in room temperature water. The other cup just contains room temperature water. Put several blue and yellow food colorings in the cups. To save some time, I use toothpicks to carefully swirl it and make the solution. Here is a trick. I added some extra water to each cup so there is no gap between the edge and the water surface. Prepare a paper cardboard and slide it on the cup without salt in it. Make sure there is no air bubbles in it. You need to do the next step carefully. Turn this cup over. Loosen your hand. You will see that water is not coming out because of the magic air pressure. Now put this cup on, right on top of the other. Slowly remove the cardboard. Aha! In the upper and lower cups, different colors of water don't totally mix together. We know that blue and yellow mixed is green. And here, only in the middle, you can see a little green color. And after half an hour with diffusion going on, you can see the green color is slowly increasing. You can also use the cold and hot water in the 2 cups to make it work. Just remember, the top cup should contain water with lower density and the bottom has higher density. So, okay, that's it for today's video. If you're interested in this concept, design your own experiment just using the tools you can find at home. And thanks for watching!